Hi, my beloved Lendlings! So I recently thought about changing my name because I want to. And I wanted to ask you guys what y'all think about this because your opinion matters. And those are the options. Hunter Silly, which I'm using right now. Hunter Hyena because of my stereotype. Or the usual Len on pause. But let me know in the comments. Now, because I don't have anything else to say, I'm gonna rant about why the actual fuck parents get mad at one sibling and then yell at the other. Like, every time my mom gets mad at my brother, I just pray my mom doesn't get mad at me too. And my brother gets into trouble a lot. I swear brothers can't even go a day without getting yelled at by someone. Like, okay, I know my brother's being a little nasty right now, but please don't let it out on me. Yeah, that's all for now. Bye, my little stay safe. The fuck was that? Oh my god.